Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back into my channel. Today we're going to explore the 5 best cryptocurrency projects that you can buy in June 2022, and I'm going to stick around through the bear markets to help you navigate the tumultuous waves of cryptocurrency and how can we generate wealth in the extreme fear market sentiment. So let's get right on with it and look at the 5 best coins you can potentially scoop up for June 2022 and hopefully realize some profits, because these are the ones I'm scooping up at the moment, and we're going to get straight right into it, starting off with Lucky Block, a crypto games and giveaway platform. They've got lots of prizes and utility. You can simply win just by holding the project. So Lucky Block is rank 3129. It's a low cap alt gem, and in the last month we bottomed out around $0.00087, put in over 350%, guys. So we've basically completely been resilient to the macro downtrend in the market. Lucky Block is a real operating business in London as well, so they've got cash reserves for development, marketing, and really growing the whole protocol. It was one of the fastest projects to actually hit $1 billion. Currently we're sitting around 80 million. But there's so much space for growth of this project. This is how the website looks. As we see, they've got daily jackpot draws, competitions. They've got a really nice roadmap as well. And what I like about this project is the tokenomics, the transparency of the roadmap, and also the fact the team are real people that operate in London, and it's a big firm with big cash reserves, so that's very, very important. Recent bullish update they actually had was the jackpot. So you can see here they've got a draw literally happening over the next days, and it's a $1 million jackpot reward. These tickets have been sold so far, 24,000 tickets, and some of the money also goes into charity of each draw too. Super easy to buy tickets. You just connect your wallet, $5 a piece, and that gives you a shot at winning. So make sure you do head on over to Lucky Block and check out their website. Look at the NFTs as well, and I think this one is a really strong project that will grow over the next weeks and months to come. They've also got the Ethereum bridge, which will soon launch too, following the web app. And once that interoperability occurs and we get more people from the ETH network come on in, it's going to be even more explosive. The next project for me is going to be Cardano, rank 6, of course, up 30% on the daily time frame. Is this in anticipation for the Vasil hard fork, which will help with scalability, throughput, and transaction volume? We're not sure, but this still proves to be one of the blue chips. $22.8 billion market cap, got massive volume over the last 24 hours, and looking retrospectively, Cardano is very, very undervalued compared to its $3 all-time high. Very tempting levels to potentially buy. If you saw your favorite car on an 80% discount, would you buy it or walk away? Well, you're not going to be like, oh, I'm just going to wait for it to go back up in price. No, you're going to buy it on the discount, and you can apply the same logic with cryptocurrencies. As we see, number of active Cardano pools near 3,000 as Vasil hard fork approaches over here, guys. According to data by Finbold, on May 30, there are 3,000 active pools on the network, just 12 short of the 3K. Basically, that's 3K as currently speaking. The aim of this update is to grow the Cardano protocol and significantly increasing its transaction throughput with its volume and liquidity. The solution to this is called diffusion pipelining, and it involves boosting the budget and enhancing the consensus layer in order to permit quicker block propagation and validation times. Super, super bullish news, guys. The fact Cardano is updating and developing through the bear markets just tells you that they are here to stick around. We can see Cardano on the trading view side of things. Just gonna give it a quick refresh. Bear with me. So we can see Cardano, really has bottomed out quite a lot. But looking at recent price action, I mean, even just a short-term target for June, looking at this diagonal resistance, we've basically bottomed out now at the 0.37 mark. We had symmetrical triangle, we faked out, we've pumped back through 0.67 resistance, really reminding me of this retracement wave where we had retraced, pumped, retrace, pump. So the target is around $0.78 for June. However, we could still break through this diagonal resistance at 0.78 and actually pop up all the way to $1.25. So the journey to $1 is back, guys, should we be getting a pump from the rest of the market. Coin number 3 today is going to be Phantom, trading at $0.4. So extremely exciting. Once again, we bottomed out quite low around the 0.39 mark. Actually, we came even lower if we look over the last week and month. We came all the way down to 0.28. So we really have put through a nice bullish reversal so far. $1 billion market cap, rank 56. Really good layer 1 infrastructure project where many dApps, play to earn platforms are built on this. The total value locked in Phantom is significant at the moment as well, and we do have 80% of the supply released, which is quite a bullish amount to be looking at. So for me, Phantom, look at this. We're all the way back in March 2021, May, June, July, August. We're back at these lows of 2021, and should this be the bottom for Phantom, we can look at pragmatic targets of way over $4 in the next bull cycles. We're looking at $4.30 to $5.50, and that's not even being hyper bullish. Hyper bullish targets take us all the way up to $10 for this particular project. So if you did buy in at the top, now could potentially be a good time to dollar cost average in on these projects that you bought before. Now they're on a significant discount for us. Coin number 4 today is going to be Ethereum. It has to be. Ethereum is like the tip of the spearhead of all altcoins in the market. We're trading just under $2,000 with a 3.26% on the daily time frame. Rank 2, guys, 237 billion market cap, 29% pump in terms of the volume. Massive transactional volume over the last day. We can see we've popped from 1,800 over to near the $2,000 mark. Looking at the 1 month, we have put through lows of around 1.7k, as well as over here at 1.8k when we had the Terra Luna FUD and crash. Even on the 3 month, this looks like a really tidy, neat, sort of solid consolidation and accumulation range. So safe to say, lots of people are speculating a $2,500 Ethereum by June and even July and August, depending on what happens with the triple merging, which is going to occur soon. As we can see, we have a tweet right here from one of the developers. Ropsten testnet is getting merged on June 8th. Merging Ropsten is a huge testing milestone towards Ethereum's mainnet merge later this year. So even just the testnet itself is massive. When is the Ethereum merge happening? Well, we can see here it's going to happen in summer 2022. Vitalik said if it doesn't happen in June, maybe it happens in July. If it doesn't happen in July, it will happen in August. If it doesn't happen in August, it will happen in September. So the Ethereum merge could occur by summer 2022. Technical analysts believe the Ethereum price could hit $2,800 as potential bearish retest before renewing its downtrend. Ethereum merge is going to basically arrive summer 2022. That's the tweet we just saw. So this is what he said. If everything goes well, the plan is for the merge to happen in the summer. If there are no problems, then the merge will happen in August. If there are problems, September, October is possible. So basically he's saying Ethereum is going to become proof of stake. Just be patient, guys. That's all you've got to do. If we scroll down a little bit more, why is Ethereum the key to the future of POS, and why is this hard fork triple merging so important? Higher energy efficiency, reduced risk of centralization. We've also got the triple halving narrative, which comes into play. Reducing the issuance of the particular project, the London hard fork, and its implementation of EIP 1559 was a key stepping stone for the ETH triple halving narrative. With the successful burn implementation, Ethereum is now inching closer to POS on its mainnet. And yeah, so this could actually happen and basically create a 90% reduction of the issuance, which, if we read below, this reduction is the equivalent of 3 consecutive Bitcoin halving events. Therefore, is referred to as the triple halving. A reduction in the cryptocurrency supply historically drives a shortage, resulting in a rally of the price over time. So now is definitely a good time to get into Ethereum, guys. If you want to grab Ethereum today, use the link in my description down below. Grab some Ethereum, grab some Cardano, grab some Phantom, grab some of the next coin, which I'm also going to shed light on in about 3 seconds, and well, maybe a bit more than 3 actually, because we've got to talk about Ethereum price. You can see here Ethereum keeps bottoming out around the $1,700 level. Every time we touch $1,700, look what's happening. We are bouncing. Massive support here, guys. So hopefully we don't come back down and retest it, because there would be a chance we would actually lose that support. So fingers crossed, not gonna happen. Polygon, coin number 5. If Ethereum moves, Polygon moves. That's why Polygon is on the list. Big volume increase, look at that, 31% correlation. to Ethereum, really. And we look at the 3-month time frame, we will see we're down to 0.55, already back up to 0.65. Think of Ethereum and Polygon as a Batman and Robin Hood sort of relationship. If one does well, the other does well. They're helping each other. Polygon is one of the arbitrums, and it's layer 2 scalability solution for Ethereum. So keep your eye on Polygon because it's boring at the moment. Of course, we did have big all-time highs back in the past of like $2.87. So why wouldn't you buy it today? If Ethereum can hold as a blue chip, then this also gives lots of stability to Polygon as well, making it a safe project to actually invest in. Look how similar this is to Ethereum price structure right now. I do speculate that basically if we hold this level and get a bounce to the upside, we will be retesting at least the 0.236 $1.06 Fibonacci resistance level some point soon in the future. So yeah guys, that's about a wrap really of this video. If you want to become a patron, I do welcome you to do so. I've got about 6 of you so far. Thank you so much to all patrons, and you're going to basically unlock free ebooks, leverage trading signals, optional one-on-one lessons and coaching. You'll get more entries on the giveaways on this particular channel, and some of the entries look just like this. So basically see the entry, the take profit, the stop loss. You're going to get screenshots of exactly how the trade setups look. Here was Cardano, for instance, and we can then see target was closed, and we closed all the way up here, and then actually Cardano just rallied on even more. So pretty cool to see. If you want to unlock those signals, please do become a patron. Before I leave, I just want to do a little bit of a market overview. What's going on at the moment? Bitcoin is up 7.4%, looking really good, 31.5k, and we're chasing that $2,000 level on the Ethereum. So everything is looking all happy days, really. Fear and greed sitting at 16. Escaping the extreme fear, slowly, little by little. Will we eventually get back to a neutral market sentiment? Who knows? Either way, we're getting a little bit of a bounce on the fear and greed side. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and leave suggestions. Do navigate down into the description below and enter the Learn to Trade and also the most comprehensive insights and news telegrams. Appreciate your viewing. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now. Let's make some money.